So here, ayan.
This is Holiday Inn, Parsippany hotels, morning breakfast. As you can see, kids are free, 11 and under. So try Holiday Inn and Hotel here in Parsippany.
Parang nabubura-bura ako pero hello. So here, the hotel facilities. Here is the swimming pool. Wow. What? Yeah. Do you like swimming? It's closed. 10 a.m. It will open at 10 a.m. Wanna go swimming? So here's the swimming pool for here in Holiday Inn. So the hotel. What can you say about the hotel in here, El? What can you say about the pool? The pool hours is 10 to 8 p.m. You want a swimming pool? You want a swimming? Yes. You want? Yeah. So here's the hotel, Eliza. Do you like swimming? Do you want to eat? There is there. So it's almost, the breakfast is 6:30, but we're almost ready because Daddy has a training, so we can go first. Okay, almost there. Bye bye. You wanna eat? Hello guys, so we're staying in Holiday Inn Hotel. So this is the room we were staying. So this is the bathroom. There's a I put a lot of things there. So there's a shampoo and body wash, body lotion and hand wash. So there's a bathtub. Here's the bathtub. There's some shampoo there. So this is just a simple bathroom there. There's a cabinet. Inside there's a vault, ironing board and iron. And then here's the room. My daughter is sleeping already. We have luggage there. So sorry, the room is a little bit mess because of the kids and our luggages. So there's a microwave, TV, and there's a fridge, coffee, and there's a lot of food. So here's the room, the details of the room, and the view. Our view is the parking. So the place is okay. The air condition is cold. It's okay. So I would rate it for 5, maybe 5 star. I think it's 5 star because there's a buffet breakfast, the kids are free, and that's it. That's for our vlog. This is it. Okay, what can you say about our room, Eliza? Hi. Hello. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. Is the room okay? How's that? Oh, is the room okay for you? What can you say about the room? Okay, okay. Go say hi. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, do you still wanna eat? Oh, bye-bye. Is it cold? Is it cold? Oh, it's cold. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Mwah.
Sometimes I can push that and make it happen. Sometimes it wants to, it's already done that. That was my deal. I wasn't too sure I'd push it. My deal was just, I wanted it to work, I would, but I wasn't too sure I'd push it.
Why do you like this? Coffee. YouTube. Open mo YouTube. Anong password niya? What's password? What's the password? Oh, here. Is that okay? Okay na yan. Eliza, okay na yan?
Malapit sa hotel.
Marshalls. Meron pa. Diyan pala eh. Marshall. IHOP. May IHOP. Ito yata yung pancake oh. $7
may
burger
Marshalls pala,
day. Oo,
Marami rin
Marshalls.
mura dyan.
Oo nga.
Sa Marshalls.
Oh, di ba parang bargain na to? Ano pa yung dyan? Pizza. Ay, hindi ka pa nag-dinner na pala, ano?
Bili tayo. May pizza ba?
Doon sa anong kanan? Pharmacy department. Oo nga no, nung oras sarado na rin siguro yun. No? Daycare oh, adult daycare. May adult daycare.
Malaki?
Huh?
Yung malaki na lang?
Bye.
Kasya to sa rep?
Oh.
I would get in here. Give me my phone. Give me my phone now.
Ito, charge mo dito.
Yay, sabi niya.
Give me my phone.
Ayan na siya, oy. Kukunin niya yung naman. Ano bang naman nito? Unboxing na siya, man. Unboxing siya, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Unboxing. Favorite niya yun, eh. Favorite niya. Oh, unbox ka na. Unboxing. Oh, what's that?
I see that this clip.
Ay, tutulo to dyan. Dapat may pantalok. Iirat mo muna yan. Mainit pa eh. Iirat mo
Uy,
muna.
nangilig na. Uy, kinilig na. Ano kaya yung dan?
Gusto niya pa ata sa hotel.
Ano yan? What's that? Uwi na tayo?
Uwi
Yummy.
tayo. Let's go home. Very good daw.
Ay, what's that in your head? Then what's that in your forehead? Masarap? Okay ba? Okay ba?
Okay, okay.
Okay? Thumbs up? Okay? Okay? No? No? Oh. Is it okay? No? How many? Gusto mo pa? Alis ako? Alis daw ako. Ha? Alis daw ako, hindi niya ma-enjoy. What's that? Alis daw ako, man. Alis daw. Oh, alis daw ako, alis. Okay? Ikaw ah.